Why did you have to smush it? Tomorrow. Make sure you don't pick up a bug, because that's what they eat. Yeah, we put some bugs in here.
You did? What kind of bugs do they eat?
Spiders. Little tiny spiders.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh, he has little claws. Let me see. He has little claws. How cute. Oh, sorry. Taylor, your hand. Oh. Doing, get back in there. They're so cute. Look at that.
Let's see.
Do they like water?
Oh.
Hi. They're so cute.
What are they? Are they toads?
No. Yeah. I don't know. How much? Stop.
Do you guys like Annie?
Yeah. If you had, that bird can smell those frogs.